Hello everyone, this is Tara and I am back again with one more unboxing. But the unboxing this time is very special to my heart, and this is something I wanted to buy and it was in my list from few months now. So finally I got this piece of watch from Cartier. So by my caption you already know which watch I'm talking about. So let's not waste any more time and let's do the unboxing, and I'm super excited for this buy, you guys. So this is Cartier PANTHÈRE watch in small size, and let's go and unbox and see for the further details about this watch. So the watch will come in this Cartier packet, and first there is this invoice. So the price part, you guys, so price varies in every country. So go to the Cartier website. If you live in US or Australia or India, just go to their official website. You will find the price in your region and all the details about the watch. Right now I'm doing the unboxing and showing you how it looks in real. So the watch is in this beautiful Cartier red box, and along with that they will give you one travel pouch. Whenever you're traveling, you can only carry this pouch for your watch. Okay, and the watch is here in this beautiful box. So let's go and do the unboxing, and let me share this joy with my beautiful YouTube family. So ta-da, there you go. So this is how it comes out. And are you guys excited? 1, 2, and 3. So there she is. This is Cartier PANTHÈRE watch in stainless steel and small size. You guys, I always wanted this watch in stainless steel. It comes in gold and with diamond bezels as well. I didn't wanted those pieces. I particularly and specifically wanted it in steel. The look of it, which gives in steel, it doesn't come, sorry to say, but it doesn't that look that good in gold. It's my personal choice. So this is how the watch look. Let's do the unboxing. There is a small cap here, as is a brand new watch. So voila, there you go. Oh my god, you guys, this is the watch I wanted. I wanted a square watch in my collection, and this watch comes in gold and diamond. I didn't wanted those. I wanted this only in steel because it gives you very vintage vibe. It gives you very classic vibe, and it gives me everything I am looking for in this kind of watch. It also look like a bracelet and jewelry piece. So from back, if you guys wanna see, it looks like this, and from here you can adjust the time, and this has a quartz movement, guys. It's not an automatic watch. It is quartz movement, which is so good because I have other automatic watch which I find very difficult to set it every third day if I'm not wearing the watch. So this is how you close the watch. This is how you wear it. Okay, I'll show you how to wear this. So this is double lock. One is done. So another, yeah, this is how you wear it. So this is how it looks, and I wanted to stack it with my diamond tennis bracelet. And guys, look at the watch. It looks so gorgeous. So along with this watch, when you buy the watch, so they will give you one international extended warranty. So this is the warranty card. So I purchased this on 17/02/2025. So yeah, so this is the warranty card they have given, and it is an 8-year extended warranty, and this is the warranty card. And I had to remove just one link. So when you buy this watch, they will also adjust the watch according to your wrist size. So I had to remove only one link. So if you have a broader wrist, maybe you don't even have to remove the link, and if you have a smaller wrist, you have to remove the link. But if somebody has a broader wrist, so they might have to buy the link for extra charges. So yeah, and it comes with 8-year international extended warranty, and there's a quartz movement, and price varies in different countries, so almost similar in all the currencies, little bit up or down, may not down, maybe up, little bit up in some region. And yeah, in India we always pay higher taxes. So you can go to our website and check. I'll be sharing the link of this watch, you guys. You can check how much it cost, and if you want to check the dimension also of this watch, I'll share the link. You guys can see the dimension and everything. So let me also tell you something. I own many other gold and diamond timepieces, but I always wanted this watch in stainless steel only, because the finishing it gives in stainless steel, it doesn't come in the gold. That is my personal opinion, and I'm so very happy with my purchase, you guys. And if you have any question related to this watch, you can always ask me in the comments. And thank you so much for stopping by. I hope I have not missed any point. If I missed any point, you guys can ask on comment. And yeah, you can always stack this jewel watch with your own bracelet. I'm stacking it with my real diamond rose gold tennis bracelet, and I'll stack with it with more bracelet over the time. And you guys go and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and if you have already subscribed, thank you so much. And lots of unboxing gonna come in my channel very soon. If you are a luxury addict, you're gonna love my channel. Do subscribe, like, and share if you want. Thank you so much for watching. Bye everyone.